We're gonna take this out of here. Now we gotta fix up the tools too, because they've been sitting for so long. But that's a problem now. You know? But that's okay. I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is. It's either that or it's the solenoids. These things have solenoids in them. And sometimes when they sit too long, the solenoids tend to stick.
What is a solenoid?
It's a little wire that's like an activator. It's in here. But first I'm gonna check this switch because this switch seems hard for me. And that shouldn't be common like that.
Maybe you just don't have strong enough fingers.
That's true. Would you like to try?
Yes, give me.
Okay, then.
Give me.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Which way is it supposed to go?
This way. So you want to push. This is so you want to push in and then put the switch. So it's got to unlock that and then hit the switch.
Hold on. I mean, it goes on. It's not even plugged in.
Here, hold on. So this saw, like any other saw, typically these two pieces just kind of come apart for your handle, and that's where the wiring is inside of it. See that? This is where the wiring coming in will be. Okay. Here's the switch that we're trying to, and it wasn't activating. There's the release. See this thing right here? Let's see if it works without the handle. Be very careful because that's out. Yep, there's the problem already. Oh, here's the problem. Here's a real problem. The wire is broken here. See that?
Yup.
It either got old or... Okay, that's easy fixing.